Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will learn how to use XLOOKUP with its wildcard feature and why it's important. So let's take an example, take a close look at the data. You see, these are company names in the main data. We are fetching the value we want, but we might forget that it's Apple EME and we put only Apple as our lookup value. It could be Tesla INC, but here we might only have Tesla, right? So this is where the wildcard feature comes in action and XLOOKUP comes in action. VLOOKUP cannot do that because that feature does not, include in that VLOOKUP formula, right? So let's have a look how it works. Equals XLOOKUP, lookup value. Here's what you need to do. Put an ampersand, inverted commas, asterisk, inverted commas, close. Now, this is actually an adjustment which tells the formula that, hey, there's a chance there could be another word or another letter after Tesla, right? So the formula will understand, okay, there could be another word. So I don't specifically have to look for the Tesla. There could be Tesla INC. Regardless, I have to fetch the data, comma, lookup array. You go about it now normally. This is our return array. Now we don't need to close the brackets right here, comma. We need to reach this match mode, comma once again. This is wildcard character. Just put 2, close the brackets, hit enter. Now you see it has fetched the data. For example, if we remove these special characters, it won't fetch the data because it will then specifically look for the Tesla, whereas in the main data, it's not only Tesla, right? So I hope you guys learned something new today. And if you like my videos, please react, let me know in the comments and share it with your friends as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.